Hello, and welcome to a P11D Organiser tutorial, a quick and easy way to become a P11D expert. We will be covering these topics in today's video. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the explaining.
The P11D Organiser can be used to bulk import data into the system. These files can either be in .xlsx or .csv format and do not need to adhere to our templates. However, they can be used to help you get started. In this example, we will be using medical benefits, so here's a medical benefit import sheet. It has all you'd expect from an import. Most importantly, it has the key field. This is sort of an anchor point for your data. The key field can either be the NI number or payroll number. It has to be a unique identifier though. This is used to map benefits to employees by matching up the key field in your import to the same key field for the employee. It is advised, while not mandatory, to always use the same key field type between imports. It just makes it easier. To begin an import, you can go up to File and then select Import Wizard. If you wish, you can go to the left of your screen and click the little icon with a piece of paper and an arrow on it. This takes you to the Import Wizard. Here you can select your import category. We are importing a benefit, so we click on Benefit, and then we click Medical, Section I. Now we choose our file, navigate to your file and select it. If it's an Excel file, you will get the option to choose your tab. Pick the one that you wish to use and then resume. This is where we do the data mapping. The text on the left is what's in your field and text on the right is what's in the system. If the application can't match them up on its own, it may need some help. If something says excluded when it shouldn't, click on it and then click Map Data Columns. On this screen, you just click on what the data field should map to, for example, matching Nino to NI number. This will map these fields for future imports also. After mapping our fields, we can now get to the bit where the data actually enters the system. The data enters your system at this point. Cancelling before this point does not import anything. If we go to look at your employees, we can now see that the system is stuffed full of medical data. Each one of these guys has a little heart icon on the right-hand side. This means there's a medical benefit assigned to them.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.